How to create Shine account. So if you want to create Shine account, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need simply open up your Shine application. Make sure that you've installed the application. Now you can go with register, which is on the bottom right. And from here, in order to create your Shine account, you need to enter your name. Just fill this manually. So enter your name, your mobile number, your email, your location, your experience, and the company in which you're working, the notice period, the designation, your start date, your current salary, and your highest qualification, and your skills. And after that, you can also upload your resume. And after uploading your resume and after filling all of these blanks, you just need simply go with register, and that's it. Once you click on register, your account will be created. You can go back to your dashboard, and that's it. That's how you can create your Shine account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.